टॉप 2 एकेडमी। तो टॉप 2 एकेडमी एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जहाँ पे हम कम्युनिटी को वापस देना चाहते हैं व्हाट दे कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस। सो कोई भी ये अगर हमारा एपिसोड देख रहा है तो उनको पता होना चाहिए कि इफ दे वांट टू कम इन द culinary टैलेंट मैनेजर सेक्शन और एजेंसी सेक्शन, तो उसमें क्या, व्हाट आर द डूज, व्हाट आर द डोंट्स, व्हाट आर योर मूव्स, हाउ टू बिकम रश्मि, हम यहाँ पे क्या सीखते हैं और क्या नहीं। तो उसके रिलेटेड वी हैव सम क्वेश्चंस दैट वी विल आस्क। सो व्हाट व्हेन यू want to help a chef become a public personality, what's the first thing that you look out for them? आप onboard कैसे करते हो?
Screen presence,
Okay.
very critical. And the comfort with the camera.
Okay.
So that I think is, one would think recipes, but no.
No?
No. See, the thing
The
is,
skill is different.
the skill is very different.
Correct.
And main चीज़ ये है, thanks to a lot of amazing YouTubers in the country, एक recipe bank बहुत strong already है YouTube पे.
Right, right,
Okay?
right.
So if you want, you will get the universe over there.
Correct.
The main thing is that screen presence, that that love for that comfort with the camera, that the minute it is there,
हाँ.
as an audience you will sense it.
Correct. And then you want to watch it.
Then you want to watch it.
Yeah.
You कितना भी आप fancy कुछ भी कर लो, but
हाँ.
the audience is, like you all also mentioned, they are very intelligent, they are very smart.
Correct.
They can whiff authenticity and they can whiff fakeness. So I
Right.
think that's one thing that I would definitely say. Love the camera.
Okay.
Screen presence is will
Very.
take you places.
Yeah.
For sure.
I remember
Yeah.
this Amir Khan का joke
Very
इस पे, when in दिल चाहता है, she's like,
Okay.
मेरा first word मम्मी और पापा नहीं था, it was camera. So she's saying
Okay.
that प्रीति
Yeah.
जिंटा को बोल रहा होता है.
So now you work with so many chefs. Tell us, how do you keep them, like they work with brands and do endorsements. How do you keep them real? Like their real personality should also show up, and they should not just get involved with the whole
Okay.
branding or whatever. Like how do you
So
keep
see,
them
the
real?
thing is, to keep it real is, if अगर आप किसी को manage कर रहे हो, and this is for all talents, I'm not saying only for food. I'm
Okay.
saying this for any genre.
Okay.
हर personality / talent celebrity के कुछ foundation things होते हैं. The language they are comfortable in.
Correct.
What kind of clothing they are comfortable in, what kind of environment they like to shoot in. There are certain basics, and understand those basics and don't expect them to compromise on that.
Right.
हाँ, ब्रांड ये बोल सकता है कि आप ये 4 यूएसपी बोल दो,
Right.
ये बोल सकता है कि आप ये कलर का कपड़ा पहन लो, आपको ये बोल सकता है बैकग्राउंड में मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, ये ऊपर ऊपर का स्टफ इज फाइन,
Right.
बट डोंट शेक देयर बेसिक्स,
Correct.
बिकॉज द मिनट यू विल टेल समवन, सपोजिटली किसी का
हाँ.
बात करने का बेसिस, तो आज हम आज मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा था कि मैं इसको ऐसे बनाऊंगा.
अच्छा.
अगर आप उसको बोलोगे नहीं, अग्रेसिवली बोलो, नहीं आज मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा था कि आप ऐसे बनाओ, यू आर आस्किंग द पर्सन टू बी नेचुरल.
Yeah.
Correct.
वो सस्टेनेबल है ही नहीं वो मेथड.
वो होगा ही नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद वो फेड हो जाएगा.
Exactly my point, because you can't, to put up an act is a very temporary process.
Correct.
So that is the main thing. Listen to their basics.
क्योंकि वो एक्टर्स नहीं हैं.
हाँ, they are not
Correct. They are
correct.
not
They are not
actors.
actors at the end of the day. Once you listen to their basics and create somewhere, bridge the gap between the brand expectation and the talent expectation, then you are in for a win.
Wow.
वो हो जाएगा.
It's a brilliant answer.
Yeah,
but
it's a really nice
keep
answer.
Them,
Keep it authentic.
To keep them real is to keep them comfortable, not
Yeah.
make them
Do
feel
things.
unnatural of what they
Yeah.
do. Yeah.